In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create an AI UGC ad for a gym using an UGC avatar that we will create in this video. And this is the result of this tutorial.
6 months at SmartFit and I'm never switching. New equipment open late and it costs me less than my old gym.
So to create that ad, first we need to go to Novo Ads AI. The link of this platform is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to create an account. This is a platform that let you try it for just $1. So you can follow this tutorial for just $1. And once you have created an account, you will arrive here. Here, we need to go first to the image section because first we're going to create the image and then with the image, we will create the video. So here we need to click in settings and in model. Personally, I like to use GPT Image 2 in the medium quality. But another good model is, for example, Seedance 5 Pro. So well, now here I'm going to use the following prompt that is going to be in the comment section. And now we have to click in reference. Here I'm going to upload an image of the gym that I'm going to use to promote. This is a gym that is very famous in South America. The name of the gym is SmartFit. So let's click here. And as you can see here, this is the image that I'm using. So now we have to click here. And now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect. Here we have the result of the images. And now we have to use the one we like the most. Personally, I like this one. So I'm going to click here where it says use as a start frame. And here I'm going to click in settings. Now in model, we're going to use Clink 3.0. And now here where it says describe your video, I'm going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section. Here, I recommend you to modify the dialogue. Here, put what you want that the girl say. And here, for example, you can change the accent. Finally, in the duration, I'm going to use 10 seconds. But here, be sure that you put the correct duration as well. So now we have to click here and now click in generate. And now we have to wait more or less 4 to 5 minutes. Perfect, here we have the result, so now let's see it.
6 months at SmartFit and I'm never switching. New equipment open late and it costs me less than my old gym.
Well, I don't know what you think, but personally I like it a lot, the video. The quality of the video, the lip sync of the video, and in general, all have a very good quality. And the good part is that you can adapt the prompts to your gym. So well, after saying that, remember that the prompts are going to be in the comment section and that you can try this platform for just $1. So well, after saying that, see you in the next video.